Hi friends, let's go to Michael's and see what they have for Christmas. Okay, let's start with the pillows because that was in the front. That is cute. Naughty and nice. That'd be good for my boys' room. So when they're naughty, I'll just flip it over, and when they're nice, I'll put it on nice. All right, okay. I love these wreaths. Okay, they have so many. They do such a nice job. I love that girl reindeer. They're so cute. I love the Santa paws. That'd be cute for my little doggies. So many cute things that they make back here. I love that one, that snowy day. Oh, that sleigh ride one I love. That one has hot cocoa, sugar cookies. That one's really cute. They're a little pricey though. Yeah, that one's like $100 right there. Okay, so they're a little pricey on this. You gotta wait for 50% off, definitely. Okay, they have a big sleigh, and it just gives me good feels. I feel like Christmas is coming. All right, more pillows. That Santa one was really nice that we just saw. Oh, I love these blankets. They were really soft. That one's nice. I love that one too. Of course, it's plaid. That one, that pillow, I love. And then more pillows, buffalo. Plaid, that's cute. This is jingle. Another blanket, that's a nice one. That white one, that cream, is really nice. That's ornament pillows. I love these sacks. These sacks you can make out of pillows. Just stuff them for decor too, because that's really cute. Or, put gifts in there. Okay, so this is the section that I love. So let's see what they have. All right, wait. First, let's see these Santas. I like that. That caught my eye because I want to put them in my kitchen. So, very cute. All right, love that sign. We're going to love everything on this side anyway. I actually like those bells because I want to put them on each of my door in the house. I'm thinking maybe. Okay, and I love that big nutcracker. I want one. Love those pillows too. You're going to see a lot of mailbox, guys. That's nice. That Christmas tree, 25 cents. They're all so nice. The joy sign, more mailboxes. Those trees are really cute. They come in a few sizes. I'm in love with this big Christmas sign. I want it. That one's cute too. That Merry Christmas, North Pole. And this is just a window. That one's cute too. The famous houses that everybody wants. I love this advent calendar. It's so cute. You don't even have to use it as an advent. I can just put like cute little Christmas things, like little like figurines. But anyway, I love that sleigh. Actually, sled. Okay, and I love this sign. Those are so cute. Those like little little decorations. I think the snowflakes. Those signs are cute. I like actually that tree lot. That caught my eye. Love this pillow. I'm actually buying it. I just think it's so cute. Those are nice. Those wooden presents. And love those rustic Santa candy molds. I went back to those bells because I'm thinking, should I get them? I just love them. They're so cute. And those are cute for like just to put on your doorknob. So maybe I'm going to get them. Okay, that's another mailbox. I think I showed that already. That one's cute to even put in front of your house. Like not all the way, like on your porch. You don't want no one stealing it. Yeah, I'm going back to these things because they like really caught my eye. I don't know what to buy. I love those wooden trees. See, I'm thinking of buying that red one. I don't know. Those. I love those wooden trees. They're so pretty. Just get a few of them. I like them in green and in white. I love these wooden boxes. They're so cute. I want those too. And the molds again. And this is huge. The Merry Christmas sign. And then more of the Christmas tree molds. Always look up there because they have some goodies up there when they don't put down. So always look up there. I love this sign with all the reindeers. I actually like those red lanterns. And of course I love the vintage tins. So cute. See, look up there. I always look up there because they might have some stuff that you want. Peppermint tea, that one's cute. The little houses and galvanized in red. I showed you that sign, right? Oh, I love this. I love that like tin plate, very like rustic, old looking. We've seen this lead already. And I told you that's my favorite sign, right? I just love because sleep, snowy days. I love snowy days because you don't, you can just relax, I think, and watch a good movie. And I told you I like that galvanized advent calendar because I think you can just put little like trinkets in there, I think. All right, and look how beautiful these tree skirts are. I'm just in love with them, and they're very good quality, very thick. That one's really nice. Very good tree skirts. All right, and these are cookies for Santa and more pillows and more mailboxes. Some pillows, more skirts, nutcrackers, more letters to Santa. I love those black Santa boots. Some glittery pillows. I actually love this. I want to put this in my kitchen. That's what I visualize, and just to count down to Christmas. So yeah. Look how big that advent calendar is. That is a nice size advent calendar. And then I love that snowman. Very vintage looking. And I love those vintage reindeers. These are very like with teal. This collection. Michael's a little mixed up, so don't mind me. I just want to show you guys. I love these they're supposed to be postcards, very vintage, but you can decorate with these. And I love that galvanized little mail. You can use that year round. So, yeah. And then the reindeers in the very like teal vintaging colors, and another Santa Claus mailbox, another advent calendar. A lot of Santa boots there. Countdown to Christmas. You can see like my Michael's is not that neat. Another mailbox with that kind of theme. Don't get your tinsel in tangled, right? That I like that tree over there because you could put your Christmas cards on that. That Christmas tree with the gold star. That is really cute. All right, I love that Mrs. Claus sign. I envision that in my kitchen. So I think it's really cute. And I love those reindeers. Thinking of buying them. I just think they're so cute. Okay, so I found these houses on the side. I think they're really cute. And the galvanized ones. And then just some little, I don't even know what they're called, but you put like little tea lights in there. It's really cute. So they had some more houses. All right, so I'm really impressed with the garland. I just love that. I might get that for my daughter's room. That one's so pretty. Very impressed with their garland. And they were pretty long and pretty big. I'm in love with these right here though. Love like those pom-poms I might get for my boy's room. Yeah, I love these right here. Those two, those little ones, those are cute. That's pretty too. But look at these candy canes. They're made out of like some kind of steel, iron, whatever you want to call it. But those were cute candy canes. I want to go back for those. Look how cute these are. They're like little like knitted stockings. So I'm loving this section. I'm trying to decide what to get. So yeah. So they were $20, but the 40 and the 50%, it's not too bad. I found some stuff on the top, some signs. They look really cute. But I'm going to show you a closer look of those signs because I found them right around the corner. Love that Christmas tree. Santa stop here. I love these signs. These are so pretty. So they had some cute little signs so you could put in your tray or something. They don't, I like that they're small. They're not like so big. You could put them like anywhere. Okay, those vintage deers, reindeers again. They had it right around. I showed you that. I love that Santa pillow because I'm doing my daughter with the teal, so I might buy her that Santa. Okay, those boots again. I'm like, should I buy it or shouldn't I? I love this big candy cane. That would be so pretty out on the front. Okay, and the Santa mugs, which I got already, but I love that reindeer one. I'm thinking about getting the reindeer one too, and that hot cocoa sign is cute. Well, I'm showing you the advent calendar that's really big. I'm trying to open the little doors. I actually seen a Netflix movie and it just reminds me of it. It was about a girl with her advent calendar like that, a vintage one. So anyway, yeah, and that's the tiny one I just wanted to show you guys. So those are just some trees. Okay, I love these trees. They're really pretty. And then these are the elves, but they're a little bigger than the other ones I showed you. Some more signs. Okay, I am in love with these little gingerbread houses. I actually want to put these in my kitchen, like on a shelf. They're really, really cute and really pretty in person. So they had a variety of them. That one's really cute. And then they had the trees, and of course they had the little people. And that one's a barn, another house. Really cute. So I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. And then there's some signs like gingerbread signs, joy, Santa little plate. Could be like a spoon rest too. I like those trees. If you're doing like peppermint, they're really pretty. So I love that pillow. I want to buy that pillow for my daughter's room. So that's why I'm looking at it. And okay, some more signs and trees. That caught my eye because I just love it. It has all these vintagey feels in there of my childhood. And then I found some boxes, which you can decorate with too, and you can even store your Christmas stuff in there, or you can use as a gift. But those are pretty big, and you can even store Christmas things. That's really pretty with the little girl. So they had some really interesting boxes. Like I said, for gifts, or you could use for decor and then use it to store your Christmas stuff, which is great, I think. That's a cute, like, little trunk. I love it. It was very good quality. That one's really pretty. Reindeer sleigh. So yeah, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in my next video. Bye!